Hello, this is Aliza Nadeem, and today I'm here with our fourth exercise video, and she is my mother and she will be following me. I hope that you guys will also follow me. So now we will get started with our first exercise, and this exercise is very good for your shoulders. You have to keep both of your hands towards the shoulder and you have to move them forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we will move backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's very good for your shoulder. And now we'll move towards the second exercise. It is also very good. So in this second exercise, we'll move our body towards the left hand side like this, and you have to bring our right hand towards like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now towards the other side. And we have to put this another ways. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. This way your hand should be stretched. And now we'll move towards the third exercise. So as we are moving towards the third exercise, in this you have to put both of the hands straight and you have to move like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and now towards the other side. But it's very good. Your hand should be straight and not should be folded, and it's very good for your hand and your body. Your knees should be also straight. Your body is getting stretched, and as much as pain you get, it's good, very good for your body. Because as much pain you get, it means that you are doing the exercise proper. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we will move towards the fourth exercise. So in this fourth exercise, it's very good for your hands, for your whole body. In this you have to do this with your both of the hands and you have to move towards upwards. It's very good. Your hands should be straight and not be folded. And you should now come on your toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we will move towards the right side like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now towards the left side, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we move forward like this. And give a weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now it's time for the fifth exercise. Moving towards the fifth exercise, so my mother will take a rest, so I will continue with other exercise. So she's going to rest. So in this fifth exercise, what you have to do is you have to move in the clockwise and then anti-clockwise in circular motion like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we'll move towards the sixth exercise. Towards the sixth exercise, in this you have to put all the weight towards the left foot and you have to stretch your right knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to get up and now you have to keep all the way to the right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we will do the same thing but in the side. This knee will be folded and this will be straight, and it's very good for your thighs, and you have to stretch your body very much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to come on the toes also. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now on the other side. 1, 2, toes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now, first I will tell you that what to do in this same position. You have to, the knee that is folded forward, you have to straighten that knee and open your legs like this. 1, 2, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now other side you have to move and you have to stretch as much as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we bring our forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now to sit down and stand up. We're moving towards the seventh exercise. In this, you have to uplift your right knee and you have to try to touch your right knee towards the shoulder like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now in the same position, you have to stay and bring your leg backward. 1, 2, 3, and balance. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now inside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now in the side position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now we have to do the same thing with our left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to move up first. So now we are done with the seventh exercise. So now we are moving towards the eighth. That means that we are moving towards the last exercise. So in this, I will put my hand on the counter or table or chair, whatever you have to keep, like you can also keep your hand on the wall. So we are keeping our hand on the counter, and you guys must be thinking that why this exercise is so difficult. It looks difficult, but when you will try it day by day, so this exercise will become easy for you. So for this, you have to first bring your right leg inside, and you have to open your like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And you have to stretch your leg very much, and it's very good for your whole body. You will become more flexible each day, and you can practice these exercises in lockdown. Whenever you're bored, you can practice these exercises. Now we're doing the same thing with our left leg. Now we're doing the same thing with our left leg. And if you will try these exercises day by day, so it will become easy peasy. And you have to bring it inside, and now I have to in the same position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Still not bad, you need 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So you can practice whenever you want and wherever you are. So now that's it for today. Talk to you guys later in the next video. That I think the fifth exercise. And thank you guys for watching. And give this video maximum amount of like. And I'm very also thankful to my supportive mom and my parents. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and bye. Thank you guys for watching today's exercise video. Give this video maximum amount of likes, and do practice this exercise at your home or outside the home, maybe in the park, and wake up early in the morning and practice these type of exercise. And I'm also very thankful to my mother who support me and make this video better. So that's it for today. Talk to you guys later in the next video. So then bye.